Mona! I ain't used lube like this before.
Jay's low ways. Why don't you smear that on me instead of smearing it all over yourself?
Boy, quit that gay shit.
Oh,
I mean, I love beer, women, and trucks, yeah!
the fuck is that? Someone's dealing with the breakup.
Come on out, ho.
It wasn't because I'm emotional. I'm here for you, girl. Men are trash. I'm not fucking emotional. He is emotional. That son of a bitch.
I'm scared! Jesus Christ! Damn near pissed myself.
Man, I'm tired of these damn pills here jokes. I'm more than a meme, I'm a man. What the fuck is that? What's up, fam? Oh, they ain't fam. We got to go. They mad. They mad. They mad, Chad. Hell nah. Run, bitch, run! Oh my god, Chad, I missed you so much. Let me touch your face! Why are white chicks so crazy? Stick together. Oh, wee, may I borrow a fag?
Oh, I'm not a fag!
Oh my god. May I bum a cigarette off? You realize he meant cigarette, right? Throwing my vibrator! Oh, boom! Yo! Pick me up, fam! Pick me up for these crazy white people! I'm done with this shit! Where you going? Come back! God damn it! Shit!
I'm gonna get you. Come on and slay!
What the hell is that? Oh fuck! Get this shit off me! Get this good shooter looking ass off me! I got you, fam.
I'm too old for this shit.
I sensed something with my gaydar. Something manly.
Francis, for the love of God, quit it with that gay biker shit.
Oh hell no! I've seen enough horror movies to know what this is going to. That guy always does first.
So what?
No!
Man, that's fucked up.
No! Get out of my way.
Get to the roof! Go on, guys, I'll cover ya. Come on, big boy.
Here's thank you. Come here, boy.
I like it rough.
I'm gonna finish it. Oh, you gonna fight, old man? Rock and roll.
Watch out, gay boy.
Oh, I missed.
Holy. Go on, I'll hold him off.
I'm gonna get you. Come here, Mike. You are so pretty.
Francis.
I'll be back.
Just hanging out here, Mom, helping. I made it. I can't believe I made it.
Son, this ain't even the end of the movie. We still need someone to die first. And it definitely ain't gonna be me. Jump scare!